Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Well, today we have a great treehouse drawing. Everybody loves a treehouse. In this treehouse drawing, we're actually going to draw it as if we were looking up at it, and that should make it to be far more dramatic. We're going to be using surface lines, and I'm going to use leaves around the outside to kind of form a frame that you look into. It should be quite interesting. Anyways, let's get to drawing, and I'll see you in just a second. All right, glad you're here. Okay, we're going to get started here. First thing, let's kind of establish our base where our treehouse is going to go. So I've got a horizontal line here, and then this is going to be our corner. And the way that we're drawing this cube, or it's going to be more of a rectangle, but it's cube shape, is that we are looking up at it. So the bottom is going to be horizontal right at our eye line, and then we're going to build up, so we're looking up at it. It gives a sense that we're below it, and it's higher up in the trees. Okay, let's get a quick base of where our tree trunks are going to go here. It's like a gigantic Y. And let's go ahead and get our door in here, just following these vertical and horizontal lines. Get a little sign.
Whoa. Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Okay, window on the side. So we're starting to get just a rough of where our different items are going. And for the roof, I'm going to use kind of like a galvanized steel roof or metal roof, and you can see that it's just extending from the top, and I'm adding a little squiggly lines and then some rivets or the edge where it goes in and out. Let's kind of work in here our tree trunk. And then our other trunk, it's a little bit narrower and it's going off into the distance. And if things are going too fast, always feel comfortable to just pause the video and get caught up. I've added the final drawing so you can refer to that, so you get a sense of where we're going with things. Once again, now on these tree trunks, I'm gonna add some surface lines. Surface lines are great. They really indicate the direction that things are going. So in this instance, the limb is coming toward us. And then the other one is going away. Now we're going to add in our railing. All right, now a little more definition of darkening our lines. Definition of our roof, galvanized top roof there. Keeping it really loose. Okay, let's get some leaves in here, and with these leaves I'm going to go around the whole outside of the drawing. And they end up almost creating a frame. So because they're on the corners, your eye wants to go in toward the middle. Usually when we draw items and things more closer to the edge of our paper or the edge of our framed area, gives a sense that those items are closer to us. Okay, well that brings us to the end of our treehouse tutorial. I have the sample up of what the final drawing should look like, and I will let you go ahead and pause this video, take a look at the sample, add some extra leaves and maybe a little club flag up on top, and even a string or a rope with knots in it that will allow our members to climb up. You could see that in the color version. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. All right, have a great day. You got this. Bye-bye.